Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video, we have discussed about SQLAlchemy and PyMySQL package. And now in this video, we will see how to install that package. And also we will create one database that we are going to use in our upcoming videos. So first, you need to just use pip install SQL Alchemy, and after space the second package, that is PyMySQL. When you will just press enter, it will install these two packages. So here you can see in my system it is already installed, but if in your system it is not installed, then a fresh installation will be done. Now the second thing is we have to create one database in our MySQL that we are going to use. So I hope you have already installed the MySQL in your system, and after that just open the workbench. And now just log in. So here, so if you face any difficulty in the installation process of MySQL, then you can just write your comment in the comment section of this video. Then I will create one separate video how to install the MySQL. So now just log in, and now here you can see the available databases, and we have to create one new that we are going to use. So create database, and the name is FastAPI underscore DB. Okay, now execute the query, and you can see create database FastAPI DB. This is success. When you will just click on this refresh icon, you can see the FastAPI underscore DB. Now to use, we have to write a query, use, and execute. Now you can just use this database. So first, let's execute one query, that is show tables. And you can see there is no any table in our database, okay, because this is a fresh database. So this was the short introduction how to just create database and how to install the package. In the next video, we will connect our project with the database. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next. Till then, bye.